Use baking soda like this to improve your sexual health, make your penis more active, and keep your energy high for days, even past 60. Few men know this, but this simple and cheap powder, which is found in practically every home, can directly influence energy, endurance, physical performance, and sexual response. My name is Dr. Cheryl Williams. I've been working in men's vitality, hormonal health, and natural performance strategies for over 10 years. Now let's get straight to the point. Sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, acts as a biological buffer. It neutralizes excess acidity and allows your cells to function in a more favorable pH. In practice, this means more stamina, better performance, and faster recovery. Recent studies show that men who use bicarbonate correctly can sustain longer efforts, tolerate greater intensity, and maintain better physical and sexual performance. Now, I want you to understand how to use bicarbonate specifically for your sexual performance. The same mechanism that improves muscle endurance is what sustains a firmer and longer-lasting erection. The penis is a vascular and muscular organ. It depends on efficient circulation, proper contraction, and a balanced metabolic environment. When your body is acidic, inflamed, and overloaded, blood flow worsens, fatigue appears earlier, and sexual response loses quality. Bicarbonate comes in exactly there. The dose that science uses as a base is around 0.2 to 0.3 grams per kg of body weight. For an 80 kg man, that's about 16 to 24 grams total. Dilute this amount in water and take it between 1 and 3 hours before the moment you want to be at your best. This is not for daily use. It is a strategy for important days when you want more energy, more body power, and better intimate performance. If it's your first time, start with half that dose. This is essential. The stomach needs to adapt. Sensitivity varies from man to man. A good way to reduce discomfort is to split the amount throughout the day and take it with meals, completing the full dose before the time you want better sexual performance. Enteric-coated capsules also help a lot because they avoid stomach irritation and let the bicarbonate work where it really matters. One big mistake is thinking that more quantity gives more effect. It does not. Excess only brings side effects and can interfere with exactly what you want to improve. When used correctly, bicarbonate supports circulation, delays fatigue, improves vascular response, and helps the body sustain arousal longer. Here's something that almost no man hears, but it makes all the difference in your intimate life. Most believe the sexual problem starts in the penis, but in practice, it starts in the metabolism. Your performance in bed depends directly on how your body produces energy and how your blood circulates without resistance. When the organism enters a constant acidic state, from stress, overwork, poor diet, or intense physical effort, there is a drop in muscle and vascular efficiency. This means less oxygen in the tissues, worse contraction, faster fatigue, and unstable sexual response. Bicarbonate acts exactly at this critical point. By balancing the internal pH, it improves the cell's ability to use energy, reduces metabolic overload, and favors the dilation of blood vessels. With this, blood reaches the penis more easily, rigidity is maintained longer, and the sense of control during the act increases. In addition, men who use bicarbonate correctly report better recovery after sex, less exhaustion, and more willingness to repeat the activity without that deep tiredness that used to appear quickly. This happens because the body does not enter metabolic acidosis as early, which is one of the main reasons for performance drops and loss of vitality over time. Another important point is that with less acidity there is better enzymatic and hormonal functioning. This does not mean bicarbonate is a hormone, but it creates a more favorable internal environment for your own hormones to act efficiently. When the internal environment improves, libido tends to respond. What studies show is that this simple supplement improves the biological terrain where sexual function happens. For this reason, many men notice not only firmer erections, but also greater sexual interest, more confidence, and more pleasure during the act. Here is a point I make sure to leave very clear, because it is where most men go wrong and, without noticing, destroy their own results. Bicarbonate is not an immediate chemical stimulant. It does not work like a pill you take and minutes later feel an artificial effect. It acts on the internal balance of your organism. For this reason, using it wrong not only reduces the effect, but can harm your performance. The first mistake is taking it right before the moment. When bicarbonate has not had time to be absorbed and act on blood pH, it stays only in the stomach, causing gases, discomfort, and no real improvement in sexual performance. The second mistake is exaggerating the dose, thinking more quantity generates more potency. The body does not work that way. Excess increases gas production in the stomach, causes nausea, diarrhea, and malaise. Exactly the opposite of what you want to feel in an intimate moment. The third mistake is using it every day. Bicarbonate is not a supplement for continuous use. It is a punctual strategy for moments when you want more energy, more resistance, and better body response. Another common mistake is using it in an organism already overloaded by dehydration, poor diet, and sleep deprivation. Bicarbonate helps, but it does not make miracles on a neglected body. For the effect to be really positive, it is fundamental that you are at least minimally hydrated, have eaten properly, and respect the correct interval between ingestion and the moment of greatest sexual demand. When these conditions are respected, bicarbonate stops being just a common powder and becomes a powerful metabolic tool. Bicarbonate enhances what already exists. It does not replace basic body care, but it expands response capacity. Men who understand this usually notice, over the weeks, greater resistance, better recovery after sex, more daily disposition, and a real sense of vitality that goes beyond the intimate moment. And it is exactly this consistency that defines true sexual health. We have reached the final point, and I want you to keep a very clear message. Sodium bicarbonate is not a fad. It is old science confirmed by modern studies. For many years, it was underestimated, forgotten, and even ridiculed for being too simple. But the truth is that the human body responds much better to what is physiological than to what is artificial. The most recent studies have shown that this cheap supplement improves the body's internal environment, increases tolerance to effort, reduces metabolic fatigue, and favors circulation. And when that happens, physical performance improves, and along with it, sexual performance. Use it intelligently, with respect for your body, and with awareness. If this content helped you, walk closer, follow my work, become a member, and allow me to continue guiding you with awareness, clarity, and responsibility. I am Dr. Cheryl Williams, and I will be here to help you age with strength, dignity, and potency. Until the next meeting, take care, and thanks for watching.